Hi, I'm Alicia. Welcome to our 9-part video series, 76 Proven Tactics to Drive Traffic to Your Website. Today, we'll be talking about creating communities. So you've got your site all set up, but you're unsure how to drive traffic to your website. This video series is devoted to showing you 76 tried and true methods to do just that. We're covering topics such as email marketing, SEO, social media, and more. But before we get too far, remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content, such as videos in this series. And I want you to know that in the description, we're going to have links to resources that'll dive deeper into some of the topics I'll be presenting today. Sharing content in online communities can be a great way of driving traffic back to your site. Although it's getting tougher because more people are doing it and it isn't scalable, still, it's always worth testing. Number 22 on our list is to promote content in relevant online communities. Online communities are places where your audience hangs out on the web and can include Facebook groups, Reddit, Slack channels, and forums. Finding relevant online communities is easy if you're already part of the niche. If you're not, we'll drop some links to helpful resources in the description below, including a directory of Slack communities, 500 plus Facebook groups, and more. Reddit is a large and active community. There's probably already a subreddit related to your site's niche. Leveraging Reddit can send lots of traffic to your site if you get it right and don't get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of discussions happening at any one time. However, promoting things on Reddit can be hard, and users don't pull any punches if they don't like what you're doing. Here are some best practices for posting on Reddit. Be a member first. Give more than you take. Post original content and engage in a genuine way. Don't use a fake account. You should absolutely try joining some Facebook groups related to your niche and share your content inside them. Again, you should respect the specific rules about promotion within these groups first. Facebook groups cover a wide range of niches where your target audience may hang out. For us, WordPress support-based groups like WordPress Freelancers or WordPress Speedup are likely to have members who would be interested in our content. You can actually search for groups to find discussions happening related to your content. Find discussions related to the post you're trying to promote and then join in. Try sharing it in a conversational way that helps the group. Like all online community promotion, you want to make sure you come across as helpful and not spammy. Quora can be great for driving traffic to your website. If you don't have one already, first you'll need to create an account. Once you have a Quora account, you need to find the right questions to answer. This is simple. Just enter a keyword and Quora will suggest related topics. Choose your topics and you'll be able to see the latest questions related to that topic. Just hit answer to add yours. Try to answer the questions fully and provide a link to any relevant content you have on your site if it makes sense to do so. If you want to get the most out of Quora, fully complete your profile. Pick questions relevant to your audience and add in links where it makes sense to do so. You should also check out our Quora marketing tips to help increase your reach. And you can also try out these other Q&A sites and follow the same principles. Yahoo Answers, Stack Exchange, Stack Overflow, Answers. Product Hunt is a community that curates the best new mobile apps, websites, and technology products every day. Getting traffic from Product Hunt can be a bit of an art, so here are some tips. Answer questions on threads ASAP. Tweet users who upvote you and thank them. Tell your audience about your Product Hunt launch. Set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site and make sure to use UTM parameters to track your results. Don't ask for upvotes. Just share the URL to your PH post and let the users decide. For a more detailed rundown, you can check out their guide as well. Forums have been around since the very early days of the web. Since then, people have been using them to drive traffic back to their websites. Even though certain forums can look outdated, if they have an engaged audience, they can be a great source of relevant traffic. Here are some tips for promoting your site on forums. Pick the right forum for your niche. Choose your username carefully. Put a link in your signature. Craft your profile carefully. Don't be spammy. Provide quality content. Start new threads. Post often. If you can't find the right forum to submit to, you can always try out our 28th tactic. If you can't find a good forum for your industry, you could look at setting one up yourself. In fact, with WordPress forum plugins, you can be set up fairly quickly. If you do go this route, you need to make sure your users are producing quality content, you have moderators, and your forum has good UX. Getting that right could mean a steady stream of traffic back to your site. And if the community is strong enough, or you're able to provide some real good value to all your members, you could think of turning it into a paid membership forum to tap into the recurring revenue model. We have a list of the best plugins to do so in the description. But this seems like a topic for a future video. The key aspect here is giving people a compelling reason to sign up. Take some of the tactics from this series and apply them to your site, and you'll be well on your way to increasing traffic. Try them out. See what effect they have on your site traffic, and if one doesn't work for you, try another. And if it does, double down and do more. Which tactics have you tried? Where have you seen success in driving traffic to your site? Let us know in the comments below. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%, and you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for the remaining videos in this series, and of course, other tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.